Welcome back, first grade. I hope you had a great winter break and you did lots of fun stuff. I can't wait to hear all about it. Today we are going to illustrate what we did during winter break, and we're going to illustrate an activity that we did so that we can become better writers. What is an illustrator? Well, an author is the one who writes the words. They write the story. The illustrator draws the pictures. Look over there. See the little guy with his paintbrush and his pencil? He is the illustrator. He is drawing the pictures for the story. So today you're going to be an illustrator. You are going to draw a picture of something you did over your winter break. So in your journal, on a nice, clean, blank page, you are going to draw a picture in the big blank space at the top. Draw a picture of something that you did over your winter break. Something that you enjoyed, something, maybe it's a place that you went to, but you're just going to draw a picture and you're going to color it, and tomorrow we're going to write a sentence about it. So just draw your picture today and color it and make it look beautiful. So what did you learn today? Pretty sure that you learned an illustrator is someone who draws the pictures, and that we are going to be illustrators today, and we're going to draw a picture of something that we did over our winter break. And then tomorrow we will write about it. That's all for today. Have fun drawing, boys and girls. Bye.